Okay, so we're going to the Editions and we're gonna tell you about the outfits. I'm wearing a black
The
top.
Disney look.
Yes, the Disney look for Traditions and all their business type stuff. So skirt has to be at least at your knees or lower. Flats because you're gonna be walking a lot. You're gonna go walking through the doors and through Magic Kingdom to show you everything around. And then, as we can see by Francine, hold on a second.
Hello again. Okay, so as you can tell by me, okay, your hair needs to be soft. You know,
Natural.
Naturally soft. I prefer the spiky look, but I can't do that because it's Disney. But it's okay. So see, zoom up. It's soft. It's nice. You know, just a little bit of hairspray to keep it. You know, and then I got a button-up shirt. You know, nice. You know, you can either tuck it in or not tuck it in, whatever. Nice, clean slacks. And yeah, I got some shoes. You know these. And they're allowed to be open toe, open heel. They're allowed to be.
Yep.
And there's a slight heel.
That's a new rule.
That is a new rule, thank God. Thank you, Disney. And you're only allowed to wear one watch, okay, and only like 2 necklaces. I'm not wearing any necklaces, but they have to kind of match the outfit, you know? And then we have, this is our Jessica Biel, ladies. So once again, like I said, soft hair.
Hair's beautiful.
Hair's beautiful. She has one band and it blends within her hair.
Yes, it does.
It's kind of like a vertical stripe thing, but it's not too overwhelming. And it's tucked in, like I said, like tuck, not tuck. And right there, boom, right there, just right
at her knee.
At her knees.
Perfect.
And then cute shoes.
Yeah, really cute.
Look at those shoes, they're awesome.
Comfortable for walking as well.
Comfortable
Yes.
for walking. And one watch, just like me.
Perfect.
So yeah, this is the Disney look, ladies and gentlemen. The Disney look. And then we have Kirsten. Hi. This is Kirsten. Okay, so also with the Disney look, you cannot have, see these earrings? You can only have one pair of earrings on the lowest lobe. So she has a cute little Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse.
Minnie and Mickey.
Nice.
Mickey is on the one.
Oh, Mickey.
Oh, that's so cute.
Soft hair. Now in the Disney look book, it says not to have patterns. So this,
We're testing.
we're testing because, so just always try to keep
But I
it-
have a backup.
She's a backup.
Right in there.
So
Kicking it.
we suggest you bring backups just in case. But you know, like I said, just nice, clean, you know, no patterns or really subtle stripes. So try to avoid big, bold patterns, even though this is a really cute top.
It is.
And you know, nice slacks and the shoes. The shoes again,
Really cute.
really cute with a slight heel. You know, so you could rather have flats, an open toe, open end, or
Heels.
heels. Thank you. Yeah, heels. Or flats.
Trying to get my own foot.
So this is the Disney look, ladies and gentlemen, and just so you know, we are in Chatham. See the nice Chatham apartments.
Woot.
18302.
18302.
Yeah, 18302.
So now they can stalk us.
Okay, so this is the Disney. I know, right?
Oh, we're gonna have visitors.
Yeah, you can visit us if you want. You know, just
We're cool.
we're cool.
Down for anything.
Okay, so this is the Disney look.
All right. See ya. Bye.
I don't know which